Cigar Humidor. So this is it. Fully lockable, which is pretty cool. Let's take a look at this bottom drawer here. So you have a nice bottom drawer. Craftsmanship definitely seems to be there. Very nice so far. You'll have your display on the top here. Comes with a nice divider. Another divider, your manual. It's where you put your distilled water. You got your water droplet. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. So that's for the bottom one. Bottom one. Here's your display. Take this plastic off. If we could actually get to it. We'll do that later. But you have your nice little display on here. Overall, this is a really nice box for your cigars. Very nice.